What if you could automate a real business task in the next 15 minutes? Not theory, not a demo. A real system that runs in the background and does work for you. No coding required, no complicated setup. Just a simple AI agent that takes a task and executes it automatically. In this video, I will show you exactly how to build your first AI-powered automation step by step. By the end, you will have a working system that can take an input, think through it, and take action. This is the same concept businesses are using to save hours every week. Let's get started. First, you need to understand what you are actually building. This is not just automation. This is an AI agent. An AI agent does three things. It receives information, it makes a decision, and it takes an action. That is what makes it powerful. It is not just following rules, it is interpreting data and responding intelligently. Now let's build one. Step one is choosing the task you want to automate. Keep it simple. The best first task is something repetitive, something you do every day. For this example, we will automate a very common workflow. Responding to new leads. When someone fills out a form, we want the AI agent to read the message and send a personalized reply. This is something many businesses do manually. Now it will happen automatically. Step two is choosing your platform. You need a tool that connects apps together. This is called an automation platform. Some popular options include Zapier, Make, or N8N. These platforms allow you to create workflows without coding. For this example, imagine you are using one of these tools. The process is very similar across all of them. Now, step three, create your trigger. A trigger is what starts the automation. In this case, the trigger will be a new form submission. Whenever someone fills out your contact form, the automation begins. Inside your platform, you select the app that collects your form data. Then you choose the event, new submission. Now your system is listening. Every time a new lead comes in, it will activate. Step four is where the AI agent comes in. You now connect an AI model to your workflow. This is the brain of your system. When the trigger fires, the form data is sent to the AI. Now you need to tell the AI what to do. This is done using a prompt. Your prompt should be clear and specific. For example, you are a professional sales assistant. Read the incoming message. Write a friendly and professional response. Keep the message under 120 words. Encourage the lead to book a call. Now the AI understands its role. It reads the lead's message, then generates a personalized reply every time. No manual work. Step five is defining the action. Once the AI creates the response, something needs to happen. In this case, the action is sending an email. So you connect your email platform. You map the fields. The recipient is the lead's email. The subject line can be generated by AI or predefined, and the body is the AI-generated response. Now the system is complete. When a new lead comes in, the AI reads the message and sends a reply automatically. But we can improve this further. Let's make the system smarter. One powerful addition is categorization. You can ask the AI to classify the lead. For example, is this a sales inquiry, a support request, or general information? Now your AI agent is not just responding. It is also organizing. You can use this classification to route leads. Sales leads go to your CRM. Support requests go to your help desk. This creates a more advanced workflow. Another improvement is personalization. You can include variables in your prompt, like the person's name or company. This makes the response feel more human, even though it is fully automated. Now let's talk about testing. Before you rely on your AI agent, you need to test it. Submit a few sample forms, check the responses. Are they accurate? Are they clear? Do they sound natural? If not, adjust your prompt. This is one of the most important parts of building AI systems. Small changes in instructions can produce better results. Refine until the output matches your expectations. Now let's talk about reliability. You want your system to work consistently, so keep your prompts simple. Avoid overly complex instructions and set boundaries. For example, if the message is unclear, ask the AI to request more information instead of guessing. This improves quality. Now you have a working AI agent, but this is just the beginning. Once you understand the structure, you can automate many different tasks. For example, you can build an AI agent that summarizes documents, or one that creates reports from data, or one that manages customer support. The structure is always the same. Trigger, AI processing, action. This is the foundation of AI automation. Now let's step back and look at what you have built. You created a system that takes input, makes a decision, and performs an action. That is exactly what a human employee would do. But now it happens instantly and continuously. This is why AI agents are becoming so important. They allow small businesses to operate more efficiently without increasing workload. Instead of doing everything manually, you build systems that handle tasks for you. And the more systems you build, the more time you save. Now, here is something important. Do not try to automate everything at once. Start with one workflow, make it work, then expand. Each automation builds on the previous one. Over time, you create a network of AI agents working together. This is how modern businesses are scaling, not by adding more work, but by removing it. Now imagine what happens when you apply this to multiple areas. Leads are handled instantly. Customers get immediate responses. Reports are generated automatically. Marketing runs on schedule. This creates a business that operates smoothly, with less manual effort and more consistency. That is the real value of AI agents. They do not just save time, they improve how your business runs. Now you might be thinking, is this difficult to maintain? The answer is no. Once your workflow is set up, it runs on its own. You only need to make occasional adjustments. Update prompts, improve logic, add new steps. This makes it very scalable. You are building systems that grow with your business. Now let's recap the 5 key steps. First, choose a simple task. Second, select an automation platform. Third, create a trigger. Fourth, connect and instruct the AI. Fifth, define the action. That is all you need to build your first AI agent. Simple structure, powerful results. And once you understand this process, you can apply it to almost anything. This is a skill that will only become more valuable over time. Because automation is not slowing down, it is accelerating. Businesses that learn this now will have a clear advantage. They will operate faster, serve customers better, and scale more efficiently. If you want to stay ahead and learn how to build more AI systems like this, make sure to subscribe. On this channel, we break down practical AI workflows, automation strategies, and real tools you can start using immediately. And before you go, think about this. What is one task you do every day that you wish you could automate? Start there. Build your first AI agent and take the first step toward a more automated business. I will see you in the next video.